If you are familiar with Jamaica, I can probably bet you never knew half of these interesting facts on Jamaica. I myself was surprised at some of these findings. Here we go. Jamaica had electricity before the United States, had running water before the United States, had phone cards before the United States. Their phone system was so sophisticated in Jamaica it was copied by AT&T. Jamaica has the most churches per square miles of any country in the world. Source: Guinness Book of World Record. Over 1,600 churches all over Jamaica. That number is growing fast. Jamaica was the first country in the Western world to conduct a railway even before the United States. This was only 18 years after Britain. Jamaica is the first Caribbean country to gain independence. Jamaica is the first team from the English-speaking Caribbean to qualify for the Football Soccer World Cup. This was in 1998 championship. Jamaica stands strong in third place on the list of countries to win the Missed World titles the most. The only countries to have won it more than Jamaica is India, Venezuela, and the UK. But considering the size of Jamaica, you have to say that this achievement is monumental with little but with talawa. On this second voyage to the New World in 1494, the tip of the Blue Mountains in Jamaica was the first land sighted by Christopher the Thief Columbus. How can you discover somewhere where people have always been, huh? Jamaica was the first commercial producer of bananas in the Western Hemisphere. Jamaica also was the first island in the Caribbean to produce rum on a commercial basis. The Manchester Golf Club in Jamaica, established in 1868, is the oldest in the Western Hemisphere apart from the United States. Jamaica has won the most world and Olympic medals. You hear that? 2006 to 2007, world fastest man and woman, you bet, are Jamaicans. Asafa Powell and Sharon Simpson, 2008 and 2009, Olympic fastest man and woman. And then you have Usain Bolt and Shelly-Ann Fraser. Jamaica has more multiple 2 or more live births than anywhere else in the world. We make twins. Jamaica was the first country to impose economic sanction against the apartheid regime in South Africa. Jamaica is the third largest island in the Caribbean. Jamaica was the first Caribbean island to enact legislation, the Motion Picture Industry Encouraging Act, to promote the making of films. Jamaica is the first country to sign a global fund to fight AIDS, tuberculosis, and malaria grant agreement. Jamaica was the first tropical country to enter the IOC Winter Olympics. And them say, what are we doing there? The bobsled team efforts inspired the film Cool Runnings, down by the beach, man. Jamaica was the first colony England acquired by conquest. Not to be proud. This was in the year 1655 when the Spanish were driven from the island. We have the second largest butterfly in the world that is called the giant swallowtail. Another one of the interesting facts about Jamaica is that it was the first British colonial territory to establish a postal service in 1688. Jamaica was the first CARICOM country to liberalize the telecommunication sector. Since then, other CARICOM countries have opened up to competition. Another one I found to be one of the most interesting facts on Jamaica is that Jamaica was the first country in the Caribbean region to launch a website, JamaicaTravel.com. This was in 1994. And if you know none of the above, which is fine, except you at least know that Jamaica is the birthplace of Robert Nesta Marley. Smile, man. Every little thing is gonna be alright, don't it? And that the Jamaican flag, get this one, is the only flag in the world that doesn't share any of the colors of the American flag. I believe it's them, Jamaica, and Sri Lanka. Check Brains and the Beat channel for that one. She will tell you Jamaica and who else. But we are one of the only two. Now here's what I want you to do. Find a friend and tell a friend. Alright? And share these beautiful facts about my beautiful island, Jamaica, that paradise in the sun. It's SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Keep it peaceful. Bless up. I'm out of here. Peace.